Hello, welcome to the Third Generation Review Bloggers YouTube channel. Today I will be reviewing the 8-inch Rainfall shower stainless steel shower head. And this comes in this white bag, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it has these little rubber parts where the water comes out, and there should be 90 of them. And then here's the little part that you screw in, and it'll go like that. It's really big. It is 2.5 GPM flow control. And it has a removable flow restrictor for high pressure. It is also said that it is easy to install, which we will test out later. And that's about it. It is stainless steel, as I had said. Thank you for watching me review this product. Please like, comment, or share this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and other social medias. We will see you next time. Thank you.